can put this one, mommy put this one, I put. Now, rub with this. Oh, it's so cool, I make. It's not make sense for you. I look like ugly. I look like a pig. And let's rub in the face. This one. We can put the powder. Okay. That's a nice. Because it's pink. There's another mirror. That's small because it's big. We can put the brush on. Okay. The brush on is so small. Oh. We put the eyes. Okay. Which one? I use this orange. I put an orange because I know it. I can put color pink. No pinky. Pinky pie is a pink. It's so cute. The highlight, okay, white. And this, oh, you can see. Let me put another one, okay. Okay, then next up. Oh. This one, it's so heavy. Let me look this mirror. After I look that mirror, this. I will put the lipstick. Okay. There we go. This one. This tiny. Little bit. Like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching.